Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. Some people are brawling murder, Man them drop a black in a man in Manchester. Plus, YouTuber get locked up after him a show gangs and guns. And Sean Kingston and his mother broke like dog, capper them. And the whole Denham Town can't believe Safari drop out. Some people see the video you wanna see on the screen now. That brother ya attack say Sean Kingston and his mother scam him. Attack say them broke like dog. Attack say them a capper them. A beer rent them rent and borrow people jewelry. My viewers, I know say a lot of you out there might see the news by now. Say Sean Kingston and his mother did get arrested in Florida for all type of scamming. Probably by now enough of them get released and all of that. But my viewers, they have a thing when him 7 times rise and 7 times fall. You can't believe that Sean Kingston broke like dog right now. That him have a day in Florida right now, a rent and a borrow and a beg right now. Him people, so the thing going a life. Remember that if you not save something and put on something for a rainy day and there road a floss and a breath and a talk about Bensky and skate pan toll, in the middle of the road no for una go sleep at the end of the day. So as I say my people, see it there. Big news about out a road how Sean Kingston them broke and hungry him and his mother and a scam them a fear scam people for survive in a life. So my viewers, walk with me now. See the man you wanna see on the screen. Him is a YouTuber, chris-mus-list, and him get locked up over in a Trinidad for a show a wanted man and the gang them. My viewers, me always tell you, say no freedom of speech no de boy, no for no just not talk the right thing yet. For certain people pull up a phone door yet and come arrest or if they come chew a lawsuit pan So my people, as we may always say, we little bloggers, if we take up ourselves and start talk about certain things and start show certain things, you gonna hear a bag of people out there start a bash we and I say this and I call we inform and all type of name. But when them man ya from nowhere at all take up himself and just gone in the Caribbean or gone in any country with him camera and start video, them a go say it's a documentary and them a go call him a journalist. My people, it set a way where reach the man still, but I saw it go. Every country have them own a rules and every country have them own a law. And I feel like say the only reason why them a do this to chris-mus-list over in a Trinidad are because them can't find the wanted man them, Them can't find the murderer them, So see they know, them hold on pan him so them can know where them they right now. And me no feel him a go talk still, but hey, you never know my viewers. You see me? Most of the man them where my film and a record a wanted man them, murderer them, we are shell down over in a Trinidad. So no think the government I go just make that slide. So as I say my people, big YouTuber, chris-mus-list, where they all over a video wanted man and gangs get arrested in a Trinidad. When you hear that, so my people walk with me again now. We see yesterday Rafik Thomas, big baller, we play for how much National Premier League side boy in a Jamaica. Man them tap in a Denham Town pan Water Street and flick the youth bat. And right now, everybody in a Denham Town can't believe say this thing a reach the youth. The youth owner mother can't believe say she really has see her son a lay down round a tranquility in a deep freeze. My people set away in enough of them community, And more while me there start talk, you think of chattings me depan. Enough of them community and no change. The good, I go feel it for the bad. Always me I tell you cause if them can't catch quacker, them I go catch the shirt, And if you live in a gunman yard, and when the killers them pull up on you, you think them I go tell you excuse, make we go splash out Umbre head. You are go get it first, then Umbre go get it next. So as I say my people, big baller, drop out in a Denham Town. And right now the whole Denham Town can't believe say this thing I reach the baller. But I saw it go boy, whole heap of people a drop on them face boy, Some innocent, some mix up in the badness. As I say, so the thing go till see it there. Fari mother dey on news. Can't believe eye water full up her eye. Her son dead and gone. She nah go see him again in her lifetime. So my people walk with me again. We are got Manchester. We see the man them drop a black in her man head and tab him up wicked, me I tell you no. Viewers, badness come like a disease boy. Every other week every other day, it like it dep on tour. When you hear that, when I know Kingston, at the Bay, a Spain town, till see it where me reach right now, Manchester, me I tell you no more viewers, where a man get a black in him head, and them tab him up wicked, me I tell you no, over what? Simple argument, something we could have avoided, but as we say, everybody boy a dark out, man, and everybody boy a live dark life. When you hear that, my people, so see it there, the man we do this now, wanna think him there, run ganga hide, and him could have take all 3 and 4 more life boy, and still a hide as we may say, my people. So see it there, man drop on him face a Manchester, and this thing and have no stop me I tell you no more people. So my viewers, stay safe out there, protect on life out there. It's not a joke thing boy. Until next time, you hear that?